Welcome to the final episode of our Rust CLI project series here on Aarambh Dev Hub. Over the past few episodes, we will build an advanced, blazing fast directories tree viewer using Rust, completed with feature like filtering, gate initialization, output format, and more. If you are being the fully along construct, you are just complete a full real-world CLI project from scratch. This series was inspired and powered by me coffee. Hug came to hand. Let's finish strong and wrap up our last piece of functionality today. Okay, now our 3.rn file is completed and you know how visualization and everything works. Now let's go in main.rs file. Write here some code for our use first clap our parcel and use std part buff, use preview without forward. From preview we need config output format detail sort by visualizer and utils part size. This data we need and create the here struct CLI now like this struct CLI. There will be a derived parser and like command for parser, which will be a name preview and command about, here will be about beautiful directory visualizer with advanced feature. Okay, beautiful directory visualizer with advanced feature. There is a command. And version is 0.2. If you want 0.1, just go to that. There is 0.1. Here a command long about a fast and beautiful directory viewer return supporters advanced filtering sorting output formats Git initializer, Git initializer, and after this there will be example 3 let's reach. Let me copy this one. It's just paste it here and just pasting here. What's the basic you just like this? It will show you current file, all hidden file and size, it all directory, how much deep into with extension file sort by size. So ignore, repeated page ignore. This everything how we can use it. Let's here like directory to visualize an arc of this. Default value is this and help for it part to directly visualize, and it will be a part test plus, and here will be a maximum depth the maximum depth will be a L, and it will be a long. We don't need to write this. Default value we don't need to default value, it will optional. And as we limit the depth of recursion, here will be optional. Let's make some upper side here. Maximum size. Good. There will be a so hidden file and directories. Let me copy this one also because it is so long. Okay, I will show you later explain. First of all, R, then we need size. So hidden file and directory will be short form is A and is long form, and so hidden file started with dot, always so hidden file that we started with dot, and so file size, how much you want to show want to file size. The file size is a human readable format, the boolean, and so the permission which short form is the short, the long, the modify type, the count file and for directory, what will count with the boolean, disable color, you need to like capital or the disable color. There is a no short form. If you want to like shortcut you can use, but I don't want to like shortcut here. And for short there is a no shortcut, text is long, value enum, and the default is a name, source file, directory. Okay, and the filter by extension, comma separated for multiple. Always the comma separated multiple because this is modular string. It's optional. Filter by extension, like example by directory only. So only directory, file only, so only file, minimum file size, how much minimum file size you want to fix for MB, and that maximum file size, how much maximum file size you want to fix. Executable, execute directory file matching pattern. You want to execute a file or directory, include only that file and directory matching pattern. Only for Git ignored files, Git data require Git repository for it. Limit of number of files, so limit the number of files display. Output format will be like this. Which output format value and always we import like this. And output path, where you want to output your path, which is optional. Follow symbolic link. Follow the symbolic link or not. Output path. Itself by later. What is the full path of the main directory? Checksum MD5. So MD5 checksum follow 5 MD5. Reverse sort order. Always the sorting order will be reversed. So summary strategy. Showing a summary strategy. Now let's write our main function code. Fn main result okay, and result return, and let CLI our parser. We give a full value of CLI here. Let config go to config. What the max is? It's a CLI matrix. So return CLI dot all, and so size CLI dot size. So permission CLI dot permissions. So time CLI dot time. Use color CLI dot colors. Sorry, no colors. Sort by CLI dot sort. Now reverse sort CLI dot reverse. Filter extension CLI dot filter the extension, and directory dot CLI dot directories only, files only will be CLI dot files only. Min size plus parse size with this and question mark here. Max size also same. Sorry, CLI dot min size CLI.max size, and here will be execute pattern, CLI execute pattern, include pattern, CLI dot include, git no, this CLI dot git ignore, git status, CLI dot git status, limit, CLI dot limit, output format, CLI dot format, and follow link, CLI dot follow link, full path, CLI dot full path. So checksum, CLI dot checksum. So haters, CLI dot haters. Okay. Now here you can see our this file is completed. Now let view visualizer equal to 3 visualizer view just partial complete, and if let to sum out push this file equal to CLI dot output, and here visualize to file CLI dot path and output file. One more can do, else we are visualizing or visualize and CLI dot path then okay this not error here. The complete show count. So count for color. Okay. So count CLI dot count. Okay, the count is also completed. Now if you see there is no error in our project is working fine. Let's you can run now the full project. Okay. Okay, now open your terminal and run this project by using the cargo will release all future because we have the future with Git or Git not, but I want to reach with all future with Git also. Sorry, here now it's compiling the everything. If any error is showing, show us here. Now you can see our project compiled successfully. Let's write down this here and open up your project file like this, and I am just opening here and release. This is the file what I created by building, and just copy paste this file here in your root project directory. Open terminal and I'm configuring terminal. You can see where my project directory is here, and I am running it. You can run here or you can run in your code editor also. But I want to run in different editor here. Let ls here. You can see here the file of this. That here clear first it and run this 3 dash reach dash help. Help for help of beautiful. So this is how you can see a beautiful directory tree viewer with advanced feature. How we can use it? This command is tree viewer and the option and the path. Which path you want to do? Argument. See argument. Path friend to visualize, and the default path is a dot. This is the default path, and how it can work. Okay. Let visualize all file. How much file is there? Just run like a simple way, and this is the full everything. Okay, full path and full file and everything. Okay. Now let's clear it and let's with extension of rs. Only one extension file rs, but it's not giving a color. Okay, let's check why it's not giving a color. And the rs, just go here. Color, what happened here? Let's see. Find color in use color. Color. Okay, in use color we want this. Okay, now let's build again. Build it again successful, and go in your file, target, release, and copy this file again and paste it here. I just forget that one. Now you can run it again. Now you can see beautiful color. If I run with form full dash path, so it's how it give you the full path, any error lectures, and this is the full path here, where this directory is saved and how it's here. Let's clear here and run it with remove full path, run it with our size. I want with own size of file. I want sort by size. You can see I use sort by size. The configuration display in utility light and now the smallest part. Bigger, it's a large. And let's use this as R, the reverse. You can see how it is completely reversing itself. We can play around and check there is so many options. Maximum D, maximum permission. Let's check for permission also. For permission and time and the count will be C. And what again you want? Nothing. Submit this one. You can see how much file the edge file, not directly. What is the permission? What the time is creating? What the time is modified? Usually it will show. Okay. This is to your project and how it's working. You know specifically what you like to CLI. Just below comment. You like the project or not. And that are apps. You are now build a complete CLI project in Rust and not just any tool, but only the practicals, customizable and ready for the real world use. If you are stuck throughout the entire series, serially, great job. You are gain valuable skill in CLI design, file system, traverser, pattern matching, Git initializer, and modular Rust architecture. Don't forget to start the GitHub repo if you are help you. And if you have to improve or build your own version, share it with us in Discord community. We will love to see what you have done. This series was made possible with inspired by my coffee. So support there always work too. Thanks you much for watching, subscribing and code along. I hope this project boost your confidence and help you to build even more cool tools in Rust. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and as always, happy coding.